Hello everyone. In Python, the next program is how we can use the auto type by using the Python. It means that if I type anything, that it start automatically after some intervals. So first you will have to install this library pip install py auto GUI. Okay, is a graphical user interface. Now import the library. Import pyauto GI as GUI is a method, or you can say alias. I am using GUI. Then pass the GUI dot type, right, where give the string value Jai Shri Krishna and give the interval 0 point after 10 seconds is start to writing. The next is the GUI dot press. If we press the write this where I pass the win means window, it to open the window automatically. The next is the GUI dot alert. It show that a pop-up show you for alert where where the right where it show the Jai Radhe. Okay, first we run this program. So you can see that it write the Jai Shri Krishna, and it open the window, and last is it show the pop-up Jai Radhe, Jai Radhe. So this is the small program. Hope you like it, where I am using the auto type. It automatically type, or it automatically open the window or give the alert. Thank